You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this river. Now, the Spanish word is bosque, meaning forest or wood. Bosque. This is why a lot of people pronounce it similarly to Spanish as bosque, Spanish pronunciation. But I believe in Texas in particular, more than in New Mexico, many pronounce it also as bosque. How do you pronounce it yourself, bosque or bosque? Let us know in the comments. Bosque, bosque. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.